Restart, Unpacked. Understand it clearly. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we'll be diving into a very common yet essential word, restart. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means, when to use it, and some examples to solidify your grasp. Let's get started. Restart is a compound word consisting of two parts, re and start. The prefix re generally indicates doing something again, while start means to begin or set in motion. So, when combined, restart simply means to start something again. 1. Technology. It's most commonly heard in the context of electronic devices. For instance, when your computer is acting up, you might be advised to restart it. 2. Games. When playing a game, if you make a mistake or want a fresh start, you might restart the game from the beginning. 3. Activities. It can also refer to resuming any activity after a pause. Like if you halted a project or hobby, you might decide to restart it later. Understanding through examples always helps. Here are some for restart. 1. My phone was freezing, so I had to restart it. 2. She decided to restart her yoga classes after taking a month off. 3. The game was too challenging, so I decided to restart from the first level. Knowing some synonyms can give you a broader vocabulary. 1. Reboot. This is often used interchangeably with restart, especially in the context of technology. 2. Reset. This can be similar to restart, but it often implies going back to an original state. 3. Resume. While not exactly synonymous, resume can mean picking up where you left off, instead of starting all over like restart. That's it for today's lesson on restart. Remember, it's all about starting something again, whether it's your computer, a game, or any other activity. We hope this video has made the term crystal clear for you. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.